Welcome to Business Goodness, where entrepreneurs come to achieve greatness. Be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Just want to post a quick video to express our appreciation to you guys, our first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thanks for spending your precious time with us despite having so many other things to do in your life and despite having tons of other videos you can watch instead. Thanks for all the views, likes and comments, your feedback, being positive or negative. We take them all as constructive. We'll use that to improve our content. We'll use that to give more value to this world. So, in the spirit of giving and gratitude, we have something special for you. Let us take your requests. We'll try our best to fulfill your requests. We want you, our awesome subscribers, to answer a few questions in the comment below. You can answer any one of them, you can answer a few, or you can answer each and every one of them so you can get more value from us, so we can make the videos you watch more worthwhile. Question 1. What topic do you want us to share more on this channel? Question 2. What do you want to achieve in your business in the next 6 months? 3. What's your single biggest question about growing your business? 4. What's your most pressing problem in your business right now? 5. What do you like or don't like about this channel? What do you want to see more from us? And what do you want to see done differently? Again, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for responding. I see you guys in the next video.
Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification.